Repairing a rattan chair isn't as hard as you might think. This chair, we first of all cut all the old rattan off of it and then fixed the broken areas of the bamboo itself with some Gorilla Hot glue, stabilizing the wood where it had split, probably from age, but maybe from misuse. I also used a zip tie to kind of anchor and hold it together. We did not take the rattan all the way off of this because it was the seam of the bamboo, and it was really hard to get that off without hurting the chair. The other three legs required only a cleaning and then a good wrap of a new piece of vinyl, quote, rattan, unquote, that we bought off of Amazon, which I can link in the description below. Using the Gorilla Hot glue, we stabilized the beginning of the wrap and then wrapped in a fashion that not only added a little style and stabilization, but covered the old unstained part or unvarnished part of the bamboo. A nice tight weave and held together with some drops of Gorilla Glue, as well as tucking the wrap in at the start and the finish, ensures a clean wrap and a wrap that will last for another 50 or 60 years. It's very hard to buy the rattan in the natural form. You must soak it. There's a whole lot of work with it. It's kind of expensive. And this vinyl wrap does a really nice clean job and allows for a good cohesive look. Nothing does a better job of cleaning and protecting than something like liquid gold. I love this stuff. I use it on all kinds of wood, rattan, bamboo, cane. It does such a great job on paneling, and it's easy to buy and find. You can see here in the final wraps how attractive the vinyl is and how well it sits with the rattan. And these are the chairs finished and ready to be sold on Facebook Marketplace.